Hey guys, this is Jonathan Washburn, aka the Dean of Mortgages. Wanted to quickly school you in some credit repair stuff today. So when I was a basketball coach, one of the very first things I did, literally day one, is I got rid of all of our horrible Spalding T1000 basketballs because they were too slippery. They were just horrible pieces of equipment. And I ordered a bunch of Wilson Evolutions because everyone knows that if you want to be successful in life, at work, you need the right tools. So we got the right tools for our players. Our shooting percentages shot up. Everything was great. All right, so today I want to talk about one of the tools that you might be using as you're trying to look out there to get pre-approved to purchase a home, or if you are a realtor that's trying to help one of your customers get pre-approved to purchase a home. Okay, so let's talk about credit repair. What is credit repair? Is it a scam? There's so many companies out there. What should I be looking for? Okay, the first thing I want to say is this. You want to work with credit repair companies that are devoted to getting you mortgage ready. All right, a lot of credit repair companies are simply trying to get your credit score to be higher, which you would think that this is a good thing, but it's not necessarily a good thing. Here's why, okay? What a lot of credit repair companies are going to do is they're simply going to look at your credit report and they are going to dispute bad lines of credit. Now, this is what happens when you dispute a credit line, okay? Let's say you have 4 lines of credit. 3 of them are really good. 1 of them is terrible. So the company says, hey, we're going to dispute this bad line of credit. What that does is it completely takes that bad line of credit out of the equation. Now we just pretend like you have 3 lines of credit. And since we took out that bad line of credit, your credit score goes up. Here's the problem. Most mortgage companies require you to remove disputes. Most mortgage programs require you to remove disputes before you can get pre-approved, before you can purchase a home. So here's what might happen. Maybe your credit's not very good. Loan officer says, hey, you need to work on your credit. So what you do is you go hire a company that they're like, hey, give us $100, give us $200. We're going to dispute some lines of credit for you. All of a sudden, after 2 weeks, your credit score is improved to 100 points. You go back to the loan officer, you're like, hey, this is great. Yeah, I had to pay $100 to get them to dispute this, but hey, my credit score is higher. And he says, what? Hey, we have to remove this dispute in order to get you pre-approved. And now you spent $100, $200 on something that didn't actually help get you mortgage ready. It improved your credit quickly, but it didn't get you mortgage ready. All right. Here's at the end of the day, this is what you should think about. Okay, if the credit repair company is telling me something that makes sense, they're probably giving me good advice, right? If they say, hey, you don't have any lines of credit, you need to open up a secure credit card that has a better balance. That's good advice. If they say, hey, you are almost overdrawn on this credit card. You owe 90% on your credit card. You need to pay it down. That's going to improve your credit. That's good advice. If they say, hey, you don't have to do anything, just give us $100, we'll write a couple letters and your credit score will improve, and you go, wow, that sounds like magic. This is awesome. Let me just make it known. You are an adult now. You should no longer believe in magic. Harry Potter is one of the greatest book series ever, but we all know it's not real. Okay, so if somebody says, hey, we want to do this, all you have to do is this, and magically your credit score is going to go up, it's probably not true. Okay, I do know a couple really good credit repair companies. I'll probably link to them in the comments. Work with companies that are doing real things. You want to have the right tools at your disposal. Okay, this is Jonathan Washburn. Hashtag the Dean of Mortgages. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on YouTube at youtube.com/c/Dean of Mortgages. All right, this school mortgage session is out. If you want my information, give me a call, 843-425-6074. Email me at jonathan.washburn@goldwaterbank.com. This school session is out, but if you want to get schooled some more, meet me on the blog course and I can school you there.